Okay, so those are in the things that you have to understand, the thing that you have to acquire for your knowledge. Okay, right. So in this chapter, basically there are seven sub chapters. For the first one is introduction to standard, and then national quality infrastructure, and then globalization and competitiveness, total quality and competitiveness, technology and competitiveness, factor that inhibit competitiveness, and last but not least is ISO 9000, one and competitiveness. Yeah. If you see the words here is the key word is competitiveness. Yeah. The major question for managing quality in organization basically is to ensure to ensure organizational competitiveness. Okay, so that is the basic idea why we need to implement quality in organization. Yeah, I believe that you already discussed the definition of quality, the dimension of quality, all those in previous course, which is quality management BJMQ 3013. Yeah, you already know what is the definition of quality. Yeah, the dimension of quality. Yeah, we can look the quality in terms of service quality, product quality. Yeah, we also discuss on Deming point, anjuran, all those. Yeah, definition of quality. Right. But for this course, basically, we are not concentrate on the definition of quality, but what quality can help? What quality can help organization in order to stay competitive? Yeah, for organization to be competitive. Yeah. Apa itu competitive? Competitive means in Malay we call it daya saing. Yeah, meaning to say that you can compete with other competitors. Yeah, you can compete with others. Yeah, so whether nationally, regionally, or globally, that is the key point. Yeah, we want to make sure our organization can compete. Yeah, yeah, and then can survive. Yeah, can sustain. Yeah, in national, regional, and global. Okay, so that is in terms of what are the basic idea of this topic. Okay, so to reflect back, yeah, can you tell me what is the definition of quality? How do you define quality? If people ask you what is quality, what do you think? What do you think? Apa yang dimaksudkan dengan quality? The definition of quality. Anybody? Customer driven. Lau Kasin, customer driven. Okay. Lagi? What else? What is quality? What is quality? Okay. Please. Okay, customer driven, Lau Kasin. Lagi? Ada lagi?
Dia macam something as measure against other thing. Dia macam excellence of something, product or service.
Excellence of something or product service. Okay. Nanti Anandan. Okay, and then standard for measure a product. Standard, quality is standard. Wong Hui Sin again. Wong Hui Sin. Ngân Kok Sing, customer driven. Sorry. Ngân Kok Sin, standard for measure a product. Okay. Lain lagi? Takkan ada 3-4 orang saja? You have learned this in 3013. Yeah, what is quality? Can you reflect back? Yeah. Can you reflect back? Distinction attribute. Quality is class. Quality is distinctive attribute or characteristic. Meeting customer needs. Okay, good. Characteristic of product or service. Okay. Some more? Customer satisfaction. Okay. Some more? Satisfy a specified set of requirement. Okay, good. Again. Okay. What is quality? Can you put it here? Or you can unmute and you can talk. Satisfy with a specified set of requirement. Okay. Paras? Wong. Degree of excellence. Nityan Nandan. Okay. Amirul Shafiq. Degree of Amirul Shafiq. Characteristic of product or service. Mana lagi? Conform to design specification. Wee Chong. Okay. Siapa lagi? Best quality. Okay. Actually, quality is not easy to define. If you ask 10 people what is quality, you will get 10 different answer. Yeah. Here I got how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. All 10 people here, they give me different answer. Yeah. So what is actually quality? If you ask people, people will give different answer. So the right definition of quality is what? Yeah. So quality is in the eyes of beholder. Yeah. Which means quality is viewed from a customer's perspective. Yeah. It means that if we can say it depends on your customer. It depends on your standard set by your customer. Okay. So in general we can say that quality is viewed from a customer perspective. It means meeting or exceeding customer expectation. As long as you can meet customer expectation and exceed what they expect, that we can consider it as a quality. Sama ada whether it is product quality or service quality. Yeah. So you have learned in 3013. For product, we have 8 dimensions to look into. Yeah, you still remember the Gawin 8 dimension? Yeah, 8 dimension of Gawin. So we need to look at the 8 dimension. That is for product quality. For service quality, we need to look at the 5 dimension of Parasuraman. As long as you can meet those dimensions, you can meet the expectation, yeah, and you exceed, you can meet the requirement of the customer, and you can exceed, yeah, the expectation of the customer, yeah, we can consider that is a quality, yeah, whether it is a quality product or quality service. That is in general, yeah. So generally, as long as you can meet and exceed what is expected by a customer, that we can consider as a quality, whether you do quality product or quality service. Okay, right. So that is clear. Yeah, the definition of quality is not easy. It's not what we call a single dimension. It's a multi dimension. Yeah. If you ask different people, they will get you will get different answer. Yeah. So we can say that quality is in the eyes of the beholder. Okay. Right. So that's clear. So now, when we want to manage quality, we want to make sure that whatever that we do in our organization, whether our organization produce a product or our organization provide a service, whatever we do, we have to manage. Yeah, we have to manage the quality. We have to manage all the activities that is happening inside the organization, to make sure that the output that we produce, or the product that we produce, or the service that we will given to the service that we provide to the customer, always meet and exceed what customer expect. Okay, so in general. But now in Malaysia, basically we have a body, we have a body. We have in order to make sure that we can give a quality consistently. Yeah. So what we need to have is a standard. Yeah, we have to have a standard. Yeah, to make sure that all the time we can provide or produce quality product or service that customer expect. So we need to have a standard. Okay, so we will discuss what is standard in this chapter, and then we will discuss who organize or who are responsible to develop the standard for Malaysian in Malaysia context. Yeah. Okay. Then we will discuss on globalization. We will discuss on total quality, technology, and so on. Okay. So the next question is, what is standard? Okay. So this one. So what is standard? Standard is a document established by consensus and approved by a recognized body that provide a common and repeated use, rule, guidance, and characteristic for activities or the result aimed at achieving the optimum degree of order in a given context. So this is definition of given by ISO Guide 2 2004. This is the general, the fundamental definition of standard. Yeah. So the standard is a document. Yeah, I'll show you. Okay, can you see this? This is a standard. This is Malaysian standard. This is a standard, Malaysian standard. Yeah, it's a document established by a consensus and approved by a recognized body. So like this standard, ISO 9000, ISO 9000, 2015, 2005, ISO 9000, year 2005. Yeah, is a document that is established by, yeah, for this standard is established by Department of Standard Malaysia. Yeah, Department of Standard Malaysia. Okay, established by Department of Standard Malaysia. So Department of Standard Malaysia we consider as a approved and recognized body. Yeah. So Department of Standard Malaysia is a body that is recognized and approved to establish this standard. Yeah. So then the standard is what is the purpose of the standard? Yeah. So we develop the standard. Yeah. Like this one, we have a document. We have like 27 pages of document for this one. We have 27 pages. What is the purpose? What is the purpose of having this standard? Yeah. So the purpose of having this standard is to provide for common and repeated use. Yeah. The standard is developed to be used. Yeah. The standard is developed to be used. Yeah. As a rule or guideline for a characteristic or for any activities. Yeah. And then the standard, the purpose of standard, every standard have their own aim, their own objective, their own goals. Yeah. For example, the purpose of this ISO 9000 standard is to provide a general guideline ataupun to define fundamental and vocabulary of the quality. Alright, so we have so many standards in the world. Yeah, but for this class we will touch on quality management system standard. Okay, so later we will discuss detail on what are the standard that is used, what standard that we can refer to in order to manage quality in our organization. Okay, so that is the basic definition of standard. So in Malaysia, as I said, we have Department of Standard Malaysia. So you can Google Department of Standard Malaysia. You can see what is the function of Department of Standard Malaysia. Yeah, what Department of Standard Malaysia do. What are the purpose of Department of Standard Malaysia? So we have a general, we have a specific purpose for Department of Standard Malaysia. Okay, so this is the standard, one of the standard. The key, we have the technical content of document, process through which is developed, yeah, and then the entity responsible to issue the standard and so on. Okay, all right. But for this class, we will focus on a standard that is related to quality management system. Yeah, there are thousands out there. There are many standards out there, but we will need to focus on what is the purpose, yeah, for this class. So this is the how standard is developed lah, basically. How standard is developed, yeah. Normally it start from company level, and then it goes up to consortia level, and then it goes to national level, yeah, okay, and then it goes to regional level, yeah, and then it goes, and the ultimate, the last is the international level, yeah. So for company used in the company only. For the consortia, maybe it used for the consortium only, maybe for the society, American Society for Testing Material, for example, yeah, we use for this body only. And then national standard, yeah, we have in Malaysia, we have Malaysian standard. In Malaysia, we have Malaysian standard, and we have Department of Standard Malaysia. And then we have on top of it, we have regional standard. Yeah, we use in regional, maybe used for Asian region, used for European region, used for American region, and so on. Yeah, and last and the ultimate, yeah, the ultimate is international standard, if used by all around the world. Okay, so for here, basically, for quality management system, we will refer to MS. MS mean Malaysian standard. ISO mean international standard. So the MS, what we call adapt or adopt 100% from national standard. Yeah, so we have MS, ISO 9000. Okay, so I think you need to read by your own, and you need to browse through. Okay, macam mana nak how to do you want to show closing this tab? Okay. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this now? Everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a Department of Standard Malaysia website. Okay, you can browse through Department of Standard Malaysia website. Then you can see, yeah, you can see the basic information, yeah, about Department of Standard Malaysia. Yeah, what they do, yeah, and then what is the function of Department of Standard Malaysia. Then you can browse through the standard. You can see you can see the how the standard is developed, and you can look at the accreditation also. Yeah, you can see the accreditation body. Yeah, so this is the Department of Standard Malaysia function. In Malaysia, basically, Department of Standard Malaysia is the body that is responsible, yeah, to develop and maintain the standard. Okay, right. Go back. Have you got the book already? Have you got the book? Not yet. Not yet. Haven't. Okay. Not yet. Actually, we will refer only a few chapters only from the book. Yeah. The rest we will refer to the standard actually. The standard I will share with you later. But the book, I think you need to get it. We need to refer only a few chapters from this book, which is chapter 1, chapter 2, and then chapter 14. Yeah. Uh, only three chapters. If you cannot get the whole content of the books, you get only chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 14 from this book. Okay. Then you need to read. Yeah. Okay. Go back to our national quality infrastructure. This is Malaysia context. Okay. Malaysia context, we are talking about Department of Standard lah, Department of Standard Malaysia. In Department of Standard Malaysia, basically we have like national quality infrastructure. Yeah. I'm not sure what the quality infrastructure in China, for example. Yeah. Maybe our friend can share. Maybe our friend Ling Zuo can share the China national quality infrastructure. But in this class, we only discuss on national Malaysian. We are talking about national quality infrastructure. Okay. In China, maybe they have a different infrastructure. But in Malaysia, we have national quality infrastructure, whereby national quality infrastructure, the main activity or function of national quality infrastructure, there are four activities. There are four functions basically. Number one is standardization. Number two is accreditation. Number three is metrology, and number four is conformity assessment. All this is the function of national quality infrastructure, which is governed under Department of Standard Malaysia. Yeah. So this is. So what is standardization? What is accreditation? What is metrology? What is conformity assessment? All these you can find it in the Department of Standard Malaysia website. Okay. This is the framework of national quality infrastructure of Malaysia. Yeah. So we have national body, we have a National Meteorology Institute. Yeah. We have national accreditation body. Yeah. We have certification bodies. We have inspection bodies. We have testing laboratories. We have calibration laboratories. All this basically. Yeah. Semua ni, all this basically is untuk kita nak memastikan quality di dalam at national level. Yeah. So it can be used for government, consumers, and general public. For everybody lah, basically. Yeah. So this is the quality national infrastructure in Malaysia. All this basically is under the umbrella of Department of Standard. Okay, this is the definition of accreditable and accreditation. So you can find this information in Department of Standard Malaysia. This also you can find in Department of Standard Malaysia. Yeah. Okay. Next we go to globalization. Okay. The simple question: when people ask you, when you heard the words globalization, what is the first thing that comes into your mind? When you heard about globalization, what is the first what is the first thing that trigger in your mind? When we talk about globalization. Okay? Apa dia? Bila kita dengar perkataan globalisasi, apa benda pertama yang terlintas dalam fikiran you? International, world, okay? Apa lagi? International, world, globalization. The interaction around the global, okay? Syafiq. Cross border, no border, okay? Right? Apa lagi? No border, cross border, the interaction around globe, world. By the way, Zhu Langzhao, are you here? Hello? Hello? Zhu Lingzhao, are you here?
Yes, doctor.
Are you here?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Like in Malaysia, we have Department of Standard Malaysia to govern the national quality infrastructure. How about China? Do you have like China Department Standard of China, Department of Standard China? You have something like that in your country?
Yes.
You have something like that, huh? What is the function of China Department of Standard?
I think same as Malaysia, but some step is different. But I don't know the detail about the step of the China department about the standard.
Okay.
I don't know the detail about that.
Okay. I think you can you can look more information. Okay, you can look more information about China Department of Standard. Yeah, but in Malaysia we have a Department of Standard, whereby Department of Standard we control all the certification body. They will control all the national lab and so on. Yeah, I think the same function. Yeah, in China as well. Okay, you can search for information lah on that. Alright. Okay, so we go to the next the next agenda, which is globalization. Okay, globalization. English, haha, no border. Okay. Okay, what is globalization? Worldwide? For this one, you can refer to chapter 2, chapter 2 in your textbook, which is quality and global competitiveness. Okay. Right. So there are a few definitions given by a few scholars on globalization. Okay, same as quality, same as quality. There is no one accepted definition of globalization. So this make many debates about globalization rather confusing. Yeah, if you ask people, people will give different answer, like quality as well. Yeah. When you ask what is quality to 10 people, 10 people will give different answer. Same thing, if you ask globalization to 10 people, you will get 10 different answer also. Yeah. So now let's see a few definition from from previous scholar. Okay. So first we look at the Robert Stern. Robert Stern. It says that everybody is writing about globalization and the words mean different thing to different people. Yeah. Same as quality. Okay. Quality is in the eyes of beholder. Yeah. So different people will give different thing. Sama dengan globalization. Okay. So one of the definition that we can refer to is by Dr. Nayef, Dr. Nayef from Geneva Center for Security Policy. Okay, it says here, globalization involves economic integration, the transfer of policies across border, the transmission of knowledge, culture stability, the reproduction, relation, and discourses of power. It is a global process, a concept, a revolution, and an establishment of the global market, free and social political control. So that is the definition given by Dr. Nayef. Yeah. So he says that globalization is not a single concept, sama dengan qualities. Yeah. Globalization cannot be expounded upon with certainty and can be applicable to all people in all situations. Okay, and then it's continue. Yeah. Deepak Nair says a third world network. It says globalization means different things to different people. Yeah. It associates not only with phenomenal and so on. This is from different scholar. Okay, this is from OECD. The term globalization is generally used to describe an increasing internationalization of market for goods and service. That means the means of production, financial system, competition, cooperation, technology, and industries. Yeah. So there is another definition. And this is from Taylor. Globalization can take the form of selling in foreign market, producing in foreign land, purchasing from foreign supplier, or partnering with foreign firm. Okay. This is another view of globalization by Taylor. This is by Shirato and Webb. Okay. Okay. So now, if looking at the various perspective of different author, different author will give you different definition of global, of globalization. So we can summarize it. Globalization means what? Means everybody, every company, every organization have the same level, the same level of competitive, the same level of chance, the same level of the same level to do business, globally, whether it is you want whatever you do, meaning to say that if you manufacture in China, for example, a product manufactured in China, you can compete, you can sell your product in any part of the world. So you must make sure that you can fulfill everybody needs in order to stay competitive, in globally. So everybody have the same chance. Everybody have the same advantage. To go for business. It's a worldwide. If we look into if we look from the positive side, so globalization means it will pull or it will attract companies or organization to go further, to go beyond. There is to go beyond normal things, normal activity that they do, because they have to compete. Previously, maybe we produce a product and we sell to our local people, but when globalization, other people, our other product from other side of the country can come to our region. So that means that we have to make a product which is better than whatever product that is produced from other side of the world, in order to stay competitive. So that is globalization. To go further, to go wide, to go big, to go borderless, to go no border. No border means borderless, no limit. You can do you can do apa? Yeah, you must do beyond ordinary things, beyond ordinary that you are normally do. Okay, so that is globalization. Sometimes globalization will destroy your business as well. Why I say that? Because if you are not improving, if you cannot compete with other people, then you will die. Okay, so it's as easy as that. You have to compete, and you have to win the competition, in order to survive. In order to survive. Okay, that is globalization and competitive. Okay. Alright, boleh dengar saya tak? Okay. Alright, so this is total quality and competitive. When we talk about total quality, we are not talking just quality department to control quality in organization. We are not talking just quality is responsible to quality department only. We have to understand, when we talk about quality, we have got total quality. Every department or every section in organization, they have to think, or they have to make sure that their activity or their output is the output that they're producing is a quality output. Yeah. So this is a common function of organization, we call it. Yeah. In organization, normally we have sales department, we have marketing department, we have design department. Yeah. This is a typical organization of a typical department of any manufacturing organization lah. Yeah, we have sales, we have marketing, we have design, we have production engineering. Yeah, we have customer, we have quality department, we have every department. Yeah. So when we talk about total quality, yeah, quality is not solely belong to quality department. Yeah, quality involve everybody in organization. Quality involve every employee in organization. Quality involve every process in organization. Quality involve every department in organization. Okay, so sales department, they have to think about quality of sales. Marketing department, they have to think about quality of marketing. Design department, they have to think about quality for design. Production department, they have to think about quality for production. Yeah. Engineering department, they have to think about quality engineering. Yeah. Customer, we have to think what customer think about our quality and so on. So it involves everybody. On top of that, yeah, we also need to include, when we talk about total quality, we need to include our supplier as well, yeah, to be involved in quality. Yeah. So start from the supplier until customer. Everybody have responsible for quality. That's what it means by total quality in organization. Total quality in organization. So everybody in organization are involved in quality. Okay. So this is what happened. Yeah. If only a certain people think of quality. Yeah. For example, this is what is requested by, this is what is requested by sale. Yeah. Sale people say customer want something like this. Yeah. Something like this. So it is analyzed by marketing. Yeah. You see, a little bit different. And then design, a little bit different. Okay. And then produced by factory, now a bit different. Yeah. And then when it installed at your customer, then different from what is requested by your customer. Yeah. So if we're not managing well in our organization, we are not manage sale, if we are not manage marketing, if we are not manage engineering, so what we'll give to customer is not what they are expected. Yeah. So we have to manage sale activity. We have to communicate. Sale department must communicate with marketing department. Marketing department must communicate with engineering department to make sure that what is expected by customer we can give like this. We don't give like this. Okay. So this is what happen lah if we are not managing quality properly in organization. Yeah, that's why we have to manage it. We have to make sure that everybody understand, everybody involved in quality. Otherwise, what customer request is not what we given to them. Okay, so this is total quality. Yeah. Total quality, you need to refer to your textbook. Yeah, chapter 1 textbook. Yeah, this is definition of total quality by Joseph. Joseph and Joseph and Davis is your writer for this book. Okay, writer for this book, Joseph and Davis. So you can find this in chapter 1. Okay. And then total quality, you still remember Ishikawa, you still remember Deming, yeah? You still remember siapa lagi? Juran, yeah? All this. Ini apa? Ini ialah customer focus process people. Total quality involve measures, people and process. This is characteristic of total quality. You can find in your textbook. Yeah, there are 14 characteristic which is strategically based, customer focus, obsession with quality, scientific approach, long-term commitment, teamwork, and so on. Okay, so this one is all written in your textbook. Okay, total quality and competitiveness. Yeah. Okay, so you look at this. Quality and competitiveness. Yeah. So bagaimana kita nak pastikan quality of the product can help company to stay competitive. Yeah, especially in a global market lah, in a global operation we call it. So we have to have a quality management. Yeah. We have to have a product and service. We have to have SPC, statistical process control. We have to have process and technology capability. Yeah, we have to have facilities, good facilities. We have to manage our project, yeah, and we need to have a good human resource as well. Yeah, in order to make sure that all this will contribute to quality. Yeah, and at the end of the day, we have to we can compete. We can compete and stay competitive globally. Yeah. So all this we need to look into quality management. We need to look at the product and service. We need to look at the technology. We need to look at facilities. We need to look at human resource, our manpower skill, and so on. Yeah. So this is the dimension of quality and competitiveness in a global environment. So for this class, basically, we will focus on quality management system. We will focus on a quality management system. So the system basically covers all these elements. Yeah? The system, we need to look at the quality management. We need to look at your product. We need to look at your technology. We need to look at your process. We need to look at your facility. We need to look at your control. Yeah, we need to look at your control, how you control. We need to look at your human resources. All this we call it. Yeah, if we combine all this, we call it a quality management system. This is what we will focus on this class. Yeah. Okay. So there is quality management. There is process, product and service. There's process and technology, facilities, human, project, and SPC. Yeah. Okay. Yang ni I think a cost dimension. Okay. Okay. Technology and competitiveness. Yeah. Tadi kita tengok from the first one we look at globalization and competitiveness. Second, we look at total quality and competitiveness. Now we look at technology and competitiveness. Yeah, how technology can help organization to stay competitive. Yeah, what is technology? Yeah, technology is the physical manifestation of knowledge. Yeah, so technology is application of scientific knowledge for practical purpose, especially in industry, computer technology, recycling technology, and so on. Yeah, you know, right? Technology is what? Technology is something that we can use to improve our process, to help our process of work. Yeah, to make work easier, to make work faster, to make work better. Normally we use technology. Yeah. So if you want to stay competitive in a global market, we cannot run away with technology. We need to adopt. We need to use the technology. Yeah. Otherwise, we cannot stay. We cannot stay competitive. Yeah. Technology is a common thing that we have to catch up. Yeah, like now, previously we meet face to face. Due to the pandemic, now we cannot meet face to face. So we use technology. We use technology to meet. We use technology to deliver the lecture by using like this platform, for example. Yeah, Webex platform. Webex platform is we consider as a technology. Yeah, technology to deliver things. Okay, to deliver the lecture, for example. Yeah. So otherwise, if we are not using technology, we cannot conduct the class. Yeah, sama lah dalam business, dalam manufacturing. Dalam manufacturing, we have to look at the new machine, new machinery, new process. Yeah. So this how technology are very important in order to stay competitive. Yeah. Okay. So normally technology can help us to do work faster, to do work easier, yeah, and to do work better with a good quality, right? Good and consistent quality. So we apply technology. Okay. So we have technology application, we have process, technology and innovation capabilities. Yeah, we have product technology, we have technology in technology marketing capabilities. Yeah. Okay, so there is technology. We need to employ during the input, technology that we can employ during the processing. Yeah, so all those things. Okay. Purchase technology, join R&R, all those things lah, basically in terms of technology. Yeah. So in order for you to stay competitive, you have to learn a new technology and you have to adapt a new technology. and you need to catch up with other people. Yeah. Then sometimes we need to invest. Sometimes we need to invest in technology. Yeah, we need to do R&D. We need to do research and development in technology. Yeah, for those for the company to stay competitive, so we have to do that. Okay. So this is example of technology that are available, yeah, in manufacturing industry. We have computer, we have CNC machine technology, we have flexible manufacturing, we need to use technology, computer aided design, yeah, that's technology, automation material inspection, that's technology, automation, raw material moving, that is technology. Warehouse automation, that is technology. Automation assembly, that is technology. Yeah, all those things. Yeah, we need to adapt. We need to find. We need, if we need to invest sometime. Yeah, in technology. Yeah. Now we have like a digital technology. Payless technology, payless apa ni, all those things lah, yeah, all those technology. Okay, so in conclusion, we can say that yeah, we have to be on par, or we have to be a leader. We have to be a leader in a new technology in order to stay competitiveness, in order to stay competitive. Yeah, you imagine kalau dulu kita punya handphone kita semua besar-besar. So dengan adanya teknologi, semua handphone kita dah jadi kecil. Ya, so orang tak pakai lagi handphone besar, for example. So in order for you to stay competitive, yeah, so you need to adopt to the new technology, new battery technology. Previously, we use a very bulky battery, for example, but now we use only a slim battery for your handphone. Yeah, that is technology. Okay. Okay, this is using technology in different department. Okay. Last but not least, for this chapter, we need to discuss factors that inhibit competitiveness. Yeah, there are a few factors actually. Yeah. Number one is business and government related factors. Number two is education related factors, and then family related factors. Okay, so all the detail you can find from your textbook. Yeah, chapter 2 in your textbook. Yeah. Okay. You still remember cost of work quality? Okay, that's all. Okay. Any question? I think we stop here for today. Yeah, and then we will continue on ISO 9001 and competitiveness on Sunday. And then on Sunday also we will discuss on chapter 2. On Sunday also I will post you the quiz question. You can start working on your quiz already. Yeah, in your group, and I will give you 1 week for you to reply. Yeah, and we will complete chapter 1 1.7 ISO 9001 and competitiveness. Yeah. You can skip this one. You can skip industrial policy and competitiveness. This one you can skip. Yeah. You just focus on introduction to standard, national quality infrastructure, globalization, total quality, technology, factors inhibiting the competitiveness, and then ISO and competitiveness. You can skip this one. You can skip this one in your slide. Yeah, 1.4. This slide you can skip. Yeah, because it's not relevant. Then we will discuss on ISO 9000 very detailed on Sunday. Yeah. Quiz chapter 1 and 2. Quiz basically is don't worry about the quiz. Basically is a group work. Yeah. And then you have a reflection of what you do only. Yeah. You have to do something in your group and you need to reflect. Yeah. Okay, so don't have a group yet. Why you don't have a group yet? Nur Iza, you don't have a group yet. You just add ke? You baru add ke? Kenapa baru add? Okay. Okay, I think we stop here for today. We will continue chapter 2 next week. Yeah, I will share with you chapter 2 slide. Yeah, by today or tomorrow. Any question?
Doctor, I didn't sign attendance for today. I didn't sign the attendance for today.
Okay. I'll share you the.
Thank you, Doctor.
Sorry. I share you the attendance. Okay. Can you scan? For those who haven't scanned, can you scan now? Hello? Cannot scan? Huh? Cannot scan?
Yes.
Sir.
Why cannot scan?
This one is for class.
This one for lecture
This one is
scan.
for this one is for lecturer create class.
Oh, okay. Oh, I need to create.
Around the
Kau jadi create